Good day everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am by the name Mikky Light. In today's tutorial we will be showing ourselves how to create these custom shapes that you are seeing on your screen. If this is the first time watching our video, do well to please subscribe and click on the notification button so you'll be notified anytime we drop a video. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive in. Okay, to create our custom shape, the first thing we need to do is to get our shape. Let's click on the plus icon, then shapes. Yeah, let's just change the color into black. Perfect. Then mark the good sign. Then we'll make sure this is positioned at the center. Let's use the help of our grid line to enable it. Yes, perfect. It's at the center now. Then we're going to go ahead to copy this, position it at the center also. Watch carefully guys, it's a step-by-step procedure, we'll follow it gently. Then we'll go ahead to lift it up. I hope you can see what I'm doing. So it's the second shape, we lift it up and put it in this place. So the one at the back, just watch what we're going to do now. Let's go to edit, we'll click on edit over here, edit, then we'll enable the radius. So let's increase all, depending on how you want it to be. But okay, let's leave it something, let's leave it around 75. I think 75 is okay. Then mark this good sign. Can you see already? Can you see that even like this we have created another shape, but for the sake of this tutorial, let me just replicate the design you see on the YouTube thumbnail. Let me make sure this is perfect. Let me edit this second one. Edit, make sure everything is at the center. Perfect. Make sure everything is aligned. Then go ahead, mark this good sign, copy this, drag it here and bring it to the left, to the right end, sorry. Okay, let me go to edit so that I'll be able to drag it freely here, and here. Yes, perfect. Then mark this good sign. Now let's see what we have created. Can you see? We have created this shape already. So this is how you create custom shapes using Pixellab. So let's go ahead and match all of this together. 1, 2, 3, match. So can you see now? This is what we have right now on the screen. Okay, so let's go ahead to add texture to it. Texture. Yes. Let's just add this. I think this is okay. Yeah, can you see how beautiful it looks? So this is how we create custom shapes in Pixellab. So please guys, do well to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification button so you'll be notified anytime we drop another tutorial. Thank you guys for watching.